Hey my little rising rockets, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn some more sight words. I have made separate videos on sight words with 10 or 11 words in each video so that you can remember these words easily. Always remember these words can only be memorized by learning its spellings. Alright then, let's get started to learn some more words. P-U-T, put. Put. S-E-E, see. S-H-E, she. S-A-W, saw. T-H-E, the. W-A-S, was. W-H-Y, W-H-O, who. Y-O-U, you. Great. Let's practice these words once again and you can repeat with me. So, are you ready? Okay, let's go for it. What is it? Put. See. Wonderful. What is it? She. That's correct. She. Tell me what is this now? Saw. The. Great. Was. Tell me quickly. Correct. Why? Who? You. That's correct. You. Superb, everyone. You all did a wonderful job. I'm sure now you can remember these words and keep practicing. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel if you are watching it for the first time. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.